I don't know, Uncle Al. I look crazy as hell again. Thank you, Uni. Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Now, a lot of people know that 20 times people ask me, what do I carry for my 3 knives? I carry some kind of folder. My daily EDC is a simple pocket knife, old school, not fighting anybody. And my, can't do this fast. Okay, that's my, whatchamacallit, Pro Council. I always like this type, and I like the buck, and if you've seen Anthony's video, because of the steel. And also like to shank people with this. Now, a lot of people ask me, well, what kind of knives do you use? Well, for my unusual one, I have this. Okay, because I can manipulate. I didn't cut myself good. I can manipulate this into certain positions, and I enjoy that. I'll put that away. Okay, that's enough of the knife stuff. Getting silly. After 20 times, it gets a little boring. Okay, kids, who's laughing at old Uncle Al? No one is. How many people in Northern California starting the 9th? I think this is the 9th. Yeah, October the 9th. That many people became instant preppers. They made a run to the hardware store running, and they were buying jugs of water at the grocery store. They were buying flashlights and lanterns and batteries, and they were running amok. Why? Because PG&E and Southern Cal were going to shut down, whatchamacallit? That's Northern Cali, Central Cali, and Southern Cali, certain high-risk areas because of the winds. I'll put this away. Instant preppers. Now going to the hardware store, running around with. Doesn't make you instant preppers. You make you look like, in front of old Uncle Al, a goofball. And most of them are bitching like hell. Well, can't help about the bitching part. They have every right because they got caught off guard. Now, most of these people I know, they're the working poor. Or let me take this off. I feel really stupid. I'm not going to wear it like that. That'll freak more people out. But take that off. Put that over there for the top hat. But it's warm tonight. It's going to drop around 40 when the winds kick in. Now, I'm in the sweet spot. They're not going to turn off my power, but I have backup. I do have a diesel generator. I have a fuel source nearby. So I'm pretty set. And you guys like, I don't know. Why you need a diesel? Don't you have a gas? You can only run a gas generator up to 4 hours. Then it starts burning out and you have to maintain it. A lot of you guys don't know how to maintain a decent gas generator. Get it through your little skulls. It's not starting it up, listening to like a chainsaw in your backyard. And, oh, I'm safe. I have it made. Think again. Gotta have coffee. Coffee, okay. Now, it's not the working poor. I respect the working poor because I used to work with them all the time. In a little minute break, while everybody's panicking or freaking out, Uncle Alan got a really good deal. These guys, I got it on sale for $1.50. I think that was any bars. I got 6 twin packs. It's basically a big cookie, but I enjoy it because it's gluten-free. Okay? And it goes good for my cat and stuff, so I have probably one for later on for a snack because I have to take a lot of meds, and it kind of plays thank you with Uncle Alan's, whatchamacallit? Well, before I put that away, sorry. Remember, how many people in California became instant preppers? Thanks, Newsom. So everybody go sign that petition to take off Newsom out of office. Lord. Because PG&E got sued out of hell for 2 reasons. People are stupid, real stupid. and they built in the wrong spot. I knew it, everybody else knew it. If you built your house with above ground lines, and everybody said, why don't they put it underground? You go through all that crud in the dirt. It'll cost you for a line to your house and back underground $20,000. Not stretching from a wire on a pole, but from the main line to your house or the main line itself. A lot of people don't have $25,000 to get power to the house like that. So the underground thing isn't an easy solution. Wake up, kids. Okay. Now, KFAB still needs clothes, and you got to get cash and gear. KFAB needs 500 people to support her, and so does Cheryl. Also, she needs a car, so check their channels out, help them out. Uncle Alan's going to try to help out the best, but Uncle Alan's feeling a little poorly, and these two I have adopted. Oh, well, I better keep that out just in case I have to repeat myself. Don't forget, tomorrow, I think, is just in time. I didn't make up a card yet. Just in time networking with Will Russell. We had a fine morning when I had to go to the doctors, and doctors are saying, don't push it, and you should be in bed most of the time. And I told him, blah, go. I'm fine. I'll work until I drop dead. Okay, and there's this little card right there. That's 8 a.m. in Mountain Time in the morning. And then Saturday evening, we have hay fever. Okay, Saturday evening at 8 p.m. is Mountain Time. Go check that out. I do recommend check out his networking channel with Will Russell. It's really good. It's important because you got to do it right. They changed the guidelines. So you haven't read the 3 guidelines, go read it now. Especially Vietnam, Korea, and the Philippines. You try and like sneak under the wire and try and do all this hinky stuff, it won't work. And it causes Uncle Alan to lose people. I'm hovering at 830. Okay? I cannot take another 20 hits this week. So quit doing that. Okay. And please help out these folks. Now, if you want to see what happens to a real working person, I think that's Red Dawn non-NPC. LA Prepper tried to explain me, but I have no idea what he's talking about because I don't game. And you'll go check out her channel and LA Prepper's channel. Okay. Hubble's cat did a really good one. We left the yams too long in the ground. Hubble's cat, I forgot which channel. This is the second one, excuse me. Hay fevers, allergies, the same as well. Okay, Hubble's cat, check out his channels. He did a forest time harvest. Oh, God. Uncle Alan's getting old and Uncle Alan's tired. Nice thing my neighbors brought me some grapes. Really nice grapes. I do these things raw. I try to get under a certain time limit. But Uncle Alan's always tired and I can't shout out all these people all the time. So go check out these guys right here. All right, check out the channel. Go watch 3 videos. And these guys right here. All right, and I forgot I got Kansas Prepper down here. Check out Louise at Mosaic Masters #1. I was going to, because I'm running short on time, I was going to mention about lard again, why it's important, and why it's the easiest next to olive oil to process. But a lot of people don't live in a Mediterranean climate. Okay, we'll get back to that. I got a bucket full of these. Okay. Now, before we talk about finances, I always hold this up in the last, 6 months? And I'm turning blue in the face. Okay? If you want to stop working poor and you want to make money and you want to be rich, you have to have discipline. You got to watch my next series, which is going to be about money. I didn't want to vomit. Okay? Now, check out Anthony at Paramedical Prepare and all these folks right down here. And make sure you help out Cheryl, because I adopted her next to Will Patriot. Sorry, Will. It's been a long day. Uncle Alan's been sick and not feeling too well. And then we have these folks right here. Please all check them out. Yeah, I know Crisco makes a lousy candle, DIY. Or DIY solar. I know, it's submarine grease. Oh, Lord. I'm dead tired. I'm not feeling too hot. And I still got 20 videos to watch till I go to bed tonight. So please check out my ration, folks. Now, years gone by did a really good one on the first ration, field foraging. Gotta check her new channel out, really good. Don't forget Wayne at West Wind Survival. He's working hard getting his 2 degrees in history. Again, a lot of people ran around today or yesterday trying to get water and drinks. Okay? For 3 days for 4 people. All right? 12 gallons of water. How easy is that? You get 3 5-gallon cans. Or you get those big blue jugs at the grocery store. You have to outthink things like this. You have to be smarter. You have to be tougher. And you have to be what? Sharper than most people. Now, people ran around going, oh, wait, Democrat. Ah, everything is fine. Ah. Okay, enough of this baloney. And then also they bought a lot of milk and bread. Right? Just a power out. We're going to have this type of problem from October into September until December. Okay? Becky Stiles, you should have seen this. I think I goofed up someplace, but that's all right. Yeah, 1 second, folks. Uncle Alan's old. Okay, check out Corsair Trainer. He did a good one today on video on backpacking. Please check it out. And please check out Galvin. He did a real good video. And Happy Prepper, let's help him to reach that goal of 150 supporters. And we have Becky Stiles. I forgot these people. Sorry, Uncle Alan's been busy. Uncle Alan's a little ditzy. And doctors want to be in bed. I'm looking at him. I'm not going into a home. If I'm going to die, I'm going to die standing. He took a lot of things, my family, away from me and the state. So everybody go. I'm not going to make that sign because YouTube will get mad. Okay, and prep for it. Wasteland Prepping. Will Patriot, go please check out his channel if you believe in the Second Amendment. Always carry armed. Okay, and we got Modern Refugee. You should look into lard again. And not for, as a component, not for frying, component. Okay, and I think Thomas was talking about he has a heart condition. Guess what? So does Uncle Al. Okay, and then Biddy Boo, Dana, out in Oklahoma. And we got to talk about the money and getting a website and stuff. You guys are way off left field, so I got to explain that again. And let's see, who else? Angry Pirate News, go watch them out. West Wind Survival, like I said before. Prepared Norseman, yes, I think you do really good on rations. Ethical Preparedness and Cooking Preparedness 101. Now, I think Norway and Sweden did, that's for Jordan's channel. they did the alert book thing that they give out and tell people to be prepared and stuff, because they're getting really nervous about the Russians playing hinky again. And again, this is the size of the single pack. It has 2 fig bars, and it's pretty comfortable, and I probably took it away for the night. I'm drinking coffee and power drinks to keep me going. I should be in bed and asleep. All you tattoo group guys going, oh, I got a gas generator, duh. Or I'll go to a hotel, duh. Or I'll move the area. Great, move out of the state of California. Ugh, I'm getting old and getting tired, kids. So anyway, back to the first one. Okay, we got this many people. Sorry, it's going to be a long one. Okay, are freaking out tonight. No, Uncle, all I'm going to do is we'll watch some more YouTubes. I got my batteries all set, and I got the generators on standby. I had my own current affair events. It's going to drop about 40 around where I live. We won't get frost, but it's going to be chilly, and Uncle Alan has a certain medical condition, so I'll be sitting up, sleeping like this, wearing a sleeping bag, and I'm going to be mean as hell. So anyway, kids, that's about it for tonight. I try to do more, but nobody watches my channel. And I feel like I'm being ghettoed into a little thing. I do get a few people watch it, and I get out here and there once in a while, but it's late at night, and I get weird channels like Zimbabwe or New Guinea or Vietnam or Thailand or Indonesia. Yeah, Uncle Alan's really popular in Vietnam and Indonesia and the Philippines. And you wonder why. Because people respect old age and understand why Uncle Alan's. Got a little gray hair, but I know how to use a dye pen. I gotta stop doing that. Just tired, folks. I'll catch you later. Night. Night, folks.